TV.
Too late will be the cry when the one-eyed chicken pecks your eye. But I don't wanna be there pecking dirt. And I'm sure you'll all agree things are not what they should be. But come now, just rejoice with me and flee to insanity and beyond. To insanity and beyond. Howling at the moon. George the hamster takes it very seriously indeed. Come on, George, life's too short. Why is time like sinking sand? I ask whilst walking on my hands. Is it too late to change my mind for one thing? To insanity and beyond. To insanity and beyond. Howling at the moon. Is we've actually chopped his tree down. So when he comes home to stash his little nuts here, the tree's just gonna fall down. And all his family are in on the joke, but he's not too. So let's see what happens. Right, here he comes now. I'm gonna dress up as a griller and pretend to be a neighbour who's seen people chopping down his tree. See if he goes mad. Let's wind the little guy up. Let's see what happens.